way you looked out for me, looking out for you, the way you looked after me. Da 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 da.
So this building here is a police station. It's been there a long time. Here's the marina and stuff. I'll back up out here. Whoa! Now this road's amazing. This old park over here is a bandstand now. Played many gigs in that bandstand and summer festivals and things years ago. Now we're coming down to the port area, and as I said, when I was a young child, this is where I was brought up. Used to play in here, as kids do, in churchyards. Factory. You can still smell the chicken. When I was 17, 18, 19, used to work in this factory here. Chicken factory. Little known fact. There you go. You can still smell the chicken. You can smell it. It's amazing. Now it starts to get a bit beat up down here. I'm going to take you back, or I'll take myself way back down Osborne Road now. For me, this is where it all began. So many memories down this road. It's going to be pretty beat up now. Right the way down. Now I still dream a lot about this house. My grandmother, my granddad used to come a lot even after I'd moved out. Here we go. Just there. Number 138. Very different. Tiny little house. Amazing. Things change. Tiny. And now, look at this. All very new. There we go. Used to come down here and play a lot, right out in the open fields again. It always used to be close to open fields. Got the rural life. A little scrapyard there. Here we go. Rural lanes. My grandfather used to work just over here for a firm, a Dutch firm called Prins. All work to do with roses, rose patching, rose budding. People from around here will know what we're talking about there. And it looks like they're still in existence and there's still fields full of roses. Used to go down, well, a little road down there used to lead you up onto the river, just through there. But here it is, still here. Still here. Prince, amazing. So my grandfather used to work years ago. Years and years ago. So does money and flowers and roses. Out here used to be tons of roses. They're gone now. There's a field of cabbages. Tons and tons. So, rural boy, born and bred, Sean Wright. Now, lots of my songs were about life in a rural landscape. My mum and dad and my grandparents, in fact, lots of my relatives have worked the land. And I think the uniqueness about this landscape is its flatness. Just look at the flatness. It's flat everywhere. So all of this land's flat land. Why? Well, the reason it's so flat is reclaimed land. The Dutch came and reclaimed it. I think with the help of the Belgians, they came and reclaimed it too, and obviously made use. Many members of my family, my grandparents and parents and so on, worked the land at various points, although my dad was an engineer by trade. But the land is a big part of their life, and I think that land and the rural sort of heart of me comes out in my own songs. I like to think so anyway.
Rusty blade with black with has been broken up in two. Can't find out the news like a harmonic singing the blues. No, we won't step a foot on this land. No, we won't sow a seed from our hands. Everybody sit down and make a stand. So we won't set a foot on this land. The foot and mouth is spread now like a plague beneath our feet. Wiping straw onto our boots, stepping in and out of shoes. Cattle here been slaughtered, and the farmers kicked to the knee.